Go outside? Huh? You want to carry your own scarf? You want to go out? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Here.
Come on.
Go out the front door.
Let's go.
Carry your own scarf.
Check it out. Ready? On your marks, set, go! Really get the door open.
We have to see how long they stay out because this lasted all of like 2 seconds last time. And she's like, and I'm done. So much for a snow dog. Oh, where'd she go? You want to go back out? Huh? Oh no, your scarf just came undone. Don't let Ryan see that. Spirit, you want to go outside? Come on, you can go out the front. Go find Belle. Where's Belle? Oh my gosh. That's so cool. And back in. I know. Where did Belle go? Oh, there she is.
Belle's just laying out there. Come on, Belle.